Dear students, now we shall discuss a most important topic chapter, that is unions and dimensions. This chapter is very important for IIT mains and advanced, and also be in a NEET examination also. So we shall discuss some problems on this chapter. Okay. Yes, see this question. If force F, velocity v and time t are taken as fundamental units, then dimensions of mass are. This question asked in APMT 14. So it is very simple but very important. Also one question must be from this chapter in IIT mains and advanced, and also be in NEET. We must know the dimensional formula of the physical quantities. If we don't know about that dimensional formulas, so we cannot solve this question. So we must know the dimensional formula of a force. So F is equal to, the dimensional formula of force F is equal to ml t power minus 2. It is a direct question. So here the question is that the dimensions of mass are. So here it is mass. So mass m is equal to F by L t power minus 2. So here it can be written as F by L by t square, L by t square, and it is equal to F by L by t into 1 by t. So what is L by t? Displacement by time is velocity. Okay. So F by v and into 1 by t. So mass, dimensions of mass are F, v power minus 1 and t. It is the answer. M is the dimensions of mass are F, v power minus 1 and t. So fourth option is the answer. Okay. In this question, the velocity v of a particle is given in terms of t by the equation v is equal to at plus b by t plus c. Here, what are the units or dimensions of the constants a, b and c? It also be asked in APMT. Okay. So this question shall solve by using the principle of homogeneity. What is principle of homogeneity? Principle of homogeneity means a physical quantity can be add or subtract with the same only. Means here it represents velocity, and this at also be represent the velocity, and here a fraction b by t plus c. So the total fraction b by t plus c also represents velocity. And also here in fraction b by t plus c, the constant c must be represent the same, that is time. So according to principle of homogeneity, in this expression the constant c represents time. So according to principle of homogeneity, c represents time. The main important point is that we must know the principle of homogeneity. Okay. So t plus c. So this c also represents the time. Okay. And we can equate V is equal to A into T. So A is equal to V by T. Velocity by time. Velocity by time is acceleration. So the dimensional formula is that Lt power minus 2, or if units, meter per second square. Here for C, that is dimensional formula is T, or in units is seconds. And V is equal to B by T plus C. So T plus C means it represents T only. That implies V into T is equal to B. That is, here V, velocity, units are meter per second into second. Second will cancel. So the constant B represents displacement. So the units of B is meter, or dimensional formula L. So it is. So we must know the principle of homogeneity. Okay. By using the principle of homogeneity, we can solve this question. Okay. In this problem, in an experiment, the angles are required to be measured using an instrument. 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with the 30 divisions of the vernier scale. If the smallest division of the scale is 0.5 degree, then least count of the instrument is. So it depends on, this is based on vernier calipers. The least count of vernier calipers is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. One main scale division is minus 1 vernier scale division is nothing but least count. So this vernier scale division can be written as, that can be written as 1 MSD minus, here 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with 30 divisions of the vernier scale. So this vernier scale division, one vernier scale division can be equal to 29 by 30 main scale division. Here main scale division is the least value, least division, smallest division. So that smallest division is that 0.5 degree. So 1 minus 29 by 30 into main scale division. So main scale division is 30 minus 29 by 30 into MSD, main scale division. This main scale division is nothing but 0.5. So 1 by 30 into 0.5 degree, that is 1 by 60. It is 1 minute. 1 by 60, that is 1 minute. In this problem, the diameter of a cylinder is measured using a vernier calipers with no zero error. It is found that the zero of the vernier scale lies between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter of the main scale. The vernier scale has 50 divisions equivalent to 2.45 centimeter. The 24th division of the vernier exactly coincides with the one of the main scale division, the diameter of the cylinder. So it asked in advanced examination, IIT advanced. Okay. Here the least count formula. Least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 VSD. It is first point. And second one is total reading. Total reading is equal to main scale division plus vernier coincidence into least count. So in this question, the zero of the vernier lies between 5.10 centimeter and 5.15 centimeter. So here the main scale reading must be taken as 5.10, because it is vernier 0, it is a 5.10 centimeter and it is a 5.15 centimeter. So we should take this 5.10 centimeter. So main scale reading is that 5.10. And what is vernier coincidence? The vernier coincidence is that 24th division. So what is the least count here? It is important. What is least count? So least count is called 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So to find this one, it is a very important. Here in this question, the 50 divisions, the vernier scale has 50 divisions equivalent to 2.45 centimeters. Means 50 vernier scale divisions is equal to 2.45 centimeter. Means here 50 divisions is equal to 2.45 centimeter. One division is equal to 2.45 by 50. So what is the fraction value here? 245 by 50,000. So 0.49 into 10 power minus 3 centimeter or 0.049 centimeter. One division is equal to 0.049 centimeter. It is the one division value. You substitute this value in this expression. LC is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. Okay. Then we can find the least count value. Okay. Here the main scale division value is that 0.05. Okay. The one division value is 0.049. So least count is equal to 0.05 minus 0.049, that is equal to 0.01. Okay, is it right? Or 0.01? Okay, 0.001 centimeter is the least count. So you substitute the value here, 0.001. One main scale division is that 5.10 centimeter plus vernier coincidence is that 24 into 0.001 is equal to 5.10 plus the 0.049 24, it is 5.124 centimeter. It is a total reading. Total reading means the diameter of the cylinder. It is the question and answer. Okay, students, like this, so many problems are asked from this chapter, units and dimensions. So it is very important chapter. This question was asked in advanced level. Okay. So if you like my video, my channel, you share it and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.